There's nothing that we've done this big on the world stage ever. Now to be part of FIA is a very large step for SEMA.
We add value to each other. Thank you for accepting to be part of the FIA family.
Thank you.
And then we welcome you, and we will be working together.
SEMA has been accepted as a full member of the FIA, representing the U.S. in mobility services, tourism, and advocacy. The Specialty Equipment Market Association serves as a leading voice for the worldwide car culture, representing over 7,000 member companies that create, buy, sell, and use specialty automotive parts. SEMA joins the global network of FIA member clubs, strengthening the Federation's mission to advance innovation in mobility, road safety, and sustainability worldwide. Representing an industry that contributes nearly $337 billion in economic impact to the U.S. economy, SEMA also supports 1.3 million jobs nationally and organizes their annual show in Las Vegas, actively driving career and business opportunities across the market. FIA and SEMA, a new partnership championing the U.S. automotive sector.